Hi all, welcome back to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how to create a Python package in ROS2. Coming to the Python package in ROS2, Python packages are fundamental units of code organization and sharing, facilitating the development of robust robotic systems. These packages encapsulate functionality, making it reusable across different projects and fostering collaborations with ROS2 community. Now I'm going to explain the steps for creating the Python package in ROS2. For that, you need to open the terminal. In the last video, we created the ROS workspace. In that, we created the workspace with the name ROS underscore WS2. If you are not gone through that video, please go through that first and come to this. The first step we have to do is change the directory, because we created the workspace of ROS2 as ROS underscore workspace 2 followed by a source, right? This command, change directory command. Change directory command is used to change the current directory to the source directory within the ROS underscore workspace 2. For that, we have to see the what are the workspaces are available. We have created the ROS underscore workspace 2 in the last video of creation of ROS workspace. So change to cd ROS underscore workspace 2, press enter. Now we are in the path of desktop underscore ROS underscore workspace 2. So here I am seeing that what are the files or directories are available here under the ROS2 ROS workspace 2. We have to move the directory called source, right? So how can we change to source? Navigate to the source is cd space src. So all of you please carefully observe this. Now we are under the path desktop ROS underscore workspace 2 under that source src. Now we are going to create a package. The second step is creating a package. This step involves creating a new ROS2 package. It requires specifying the package name, build type. Build type means Python or C++, and any dependencies such as ROS2 Python library, that is called RCL-Py. So what is the command we use for that is, you can see ROS2 package create is a package name followed by build type. Either we can build as a Python package or C++ package. As of now we are discussing about Python package, that is why I can named as Python space followed by the build type, and build type is amend is a package underscore Python. And as I said that we have to select the dependencies such as ROS2 Python library. The ROS2 Python library is a RCL-Py. So double-hyphen dependencies space RCL-Py. This is a command for creating a Python package, and press enter. So all of you please observe that the Python package is created here. It will give that the in detail information here, creating like as we discussed .xml file, and my package setup.py, setup.configuration, and installation.py. These are the main files under the package. Now check the package creation. The package is created or not. How can we check the package creation? By providing the command called ls. See here, the package, my package is created. My underscore py underscore package. That is a given in the command here. ROS2 package create my underscore py underscore package. The package is created successfully. After that, package creation, we need to compile the package. Means after creating the package, it needs to be compiled. This step compiles all packages within the workspace using the Colcon build tool. Okay, the package is successfully created here. Now we have to compile the package or build the package by using the command called colcon space build. Press enter. So it is building the package. It is showing the message called colcon build successful. So after building the package using the colcon build command, the files or package is successfully built. Now we can check the what are the files are created under the package by using the Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code. Under this, we can go to the folder that is called as ROS underscore workspace 2. Open the folder and under the ROS workspace 2, we have created a workspace called src. Under the src, we have created the my package. So under the my package, what are the files are created? Under the my package, there is a init.py followed by package.xml, setup.configuration, setup.py. So what this init.py file consists of? It does not consist anything. If we make any Python package here, we can do here, and we can explain in detail later about the when we going to implement a program. We'll discuss about this. Now discuss about this package.xml. When you open this package.xml file consists of the license declarations and package description and amend. See here, amend copyright, amend flag. This is the amend based dependencies. Build type is amend and amend Python. Build type is amend Python. And coming to the setup.configuration, it is having the my package, my underscore py underscore package. Okay, it is installed under the install. And what about this setup.py? Setup.py consists of all the license declarations, the package names. This is package.xml. It consists of package.xml and the name of the package. What is the package name here? My underscore py underscore package. This is how do we create a Python package using the Colcon build in ROS2 workspace. Thank you.